Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best electric bike lithium battery in this video? I will show you the top 5 best electric bike lithium batteries to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is 25 Ebike battery. Specifications. Brand name, Unit pack power. Capacity, 10 to 20 Ah. Voltage, 48 volts, 52 volts. Type, lithium battery. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, Pro HS. Number 4 is Downtube Jumbo Poly Battery Pack. Specifications. Brand name, Unit pack power. Model, R0496 Poly Downtube 21700 e-bike battery. Capacity, 21 to 30 Ah. Voltage, 48 volts. Type, lithium battery. Fit for motor, 250 watts to 2000 watts optional. BMS, 20A, 30A, 40A, 50A optional. Net weight, 5 kg to 6.5 kg. Battery dimensions, 368 by 95 by 150 ohm. Charger, 2 amperes to 3 amperes. Life cycle, over 1000 cycles with DOD 80%. Warranty, 18 months. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, rear Racky bike battery. Specifications. Brand name, Unit pack power. Capacity, 21 to 30 Ah. Voltage, 48 volts, 52 volts. Type, lithium battery. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, Pro HS. Number 2 is Hailong Ebike battery. Specifications. Brand name, Aike. Capacity, 10 to 20 Ah. Voltage, 48 volts. Type, lithium battery. Application, electric bicycle, e-bike. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have electric Hailong Ebike battery. Specifications. Brand name, Unit pack power. Capacity, 10 to 20 Ah. Voltage, 36 volts, 48 volts, 52 volts. Type, lithium battery. Built-in BMS, 25 amp. Fit motor power, 36 volts 0700 watts. Charge current, 2 amperes, 5 amperes. Charge cutoff voltage, 42 volts. Discharge cutoff voltage, 30 volts. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, Pro HS.